Welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Man's class. Now looking at the board, we have a question that we need to peruse. Alright, now we have to find the value of x. Meanwhile, from the question, the mean of all these numbers is equal to x, is equal to 4, sorry. So now, let us look for our mean. Our mean, the formula is the summation of all of these elements all over the number of elements. So therefore, since we know our mean to be 4, it means that in place of mean here, we will write 4 equal to all of these numbers, which is 1, the summation of all of these numbers, plus 7, and plus x, all over the total number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So at this point, we are looking for x. So what do we do? In order to remove this fraction, we have to multiply both sides by 5. And if we do that, it means that 5 will multiply here and 5 will multiply here. So it simply means that what we will now have is 4 times 5 equal to the sum of all this number here will give us 16. Now let us prove it. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is what? 9, plus 7 is 16. So we have it as 16 plus x. So at this point now, remember, 5 times 4 is 20. So we have it as 20 equal to 16 plus x. Now if we collect like terms, it simply means that 20 minus 16 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.